Okay, this is just a quick video to show you how the NEWMEN GM840 comes packaged, what you actually get in the box, and what you can expect from it, maybe some first impressions. I am then going to go and use it off camera quite a bit to test it out and to see how it performs. Okay, so this is the packaging itself, taking down the exposure of the thing so just so you can see the packaging, because it's very faint, but it's really nicely packaged. It's very, very nicely packaged, I've got to say. Okay, so let's open it up and take out the actual keyboard itself. Okay, we're going to try and do a nice kind of thorough job of this. You can see I'm breaking the seal and opening this up for the very first time. Okay, which means this is exactly how it'll come packaged for you if you order this. Okay, so if you order this particular keyboard, this is what you can expect it to come like. And excellent. I ordered the blue key switches. It looks fantastic. It really, really looks good. Here's the switches itself. Got some additional switches there. So let's just hear the clickiness of them, because I did order the blues, which are the clicky. Okay. This is the keyboard itself. I think this is beautifully presented. Really, really nice. Love this kind of plastic tray that it comes with. And the keyboard itself, I'm very impressed with how this looks. And it's proper. That is a lovely, lovely keyboard. Very, very impressed with how it looks. Really nice clicky action as well. Listen to this. Now, if you're after clicky mechanical keys, this is great. And size-wise, that's nice and compact, really compact. It is both wireless and wired. So there's the USB-C connection. Comes with a nice, decent length there, USB-A to USB-C cable. So it'll plug into a normal USB-A port. The USB-C there is obviously for charging as much as it is for data. Well, let's take a key out. It comes with a little key grabber. So let's take a key out and see what's underneath. Oops, we'll go side to side, shall we? There we go. And extract the key. There we go. There's your keycap. And there's the switch underneath. It's lovely. It's really, really decent. Very, very decent. Okay. Let's pop it back on. Clips nicely into place, no problem. Yeah, it's almost got that kind of old BBC Micro vibe. It's a little bit retro in that respect. It's got the grey keys. Design wise though, that's a beautiful aesthetic. It's really, really nice. Okay, there we go. You've also got a little wireless dongle to go in here. There you go, and that is held in place. Is it magnetic? It certainly is. Fantastic, really, really impressive. Let's finish it off with some size. It's just over 30 centimeters wide, maybe about 31, 32 centimeters long. Okay, depth there, 12 centimeters in height there. And let's just measure the height, because it is quite a high one. The keys come up to about 4.5 centimeters at the top there. Okay, but very, very nice. You've got media keys just here. You've got the function button there for addressing your media keys. Does it come with? It doesn't come with any feet to raise it. So this is the fixed angle you've got there. So just to finish off, then maybe that is, as I said before, about 4.5 centimeters at the front. The closer ones here are more like 3, so about a centimeter of travel. Okay, going down. But in terms of the travel of the keys, lovely. Let's just have a quick. Yeah, that's such a lovely feeling keyboard. I really like that. Okay, see you in review for what it's actually like to use, because I'll give it a really good going over and let you know in the written review exactly what I think of it. Okay, I couldn't leave you without showing you the RGB, because there's a few different backlighting effects on this. Looking really, really smooth. You can change the brightness as well if you want to save battery power, or your maximum effect. Just fantastic. There we go. Nice and, no, let's brighten it up. Obviously in daylight here, it's not, you're not going to get the full effect, but some absolutely fantastic RGB there. Oh, that's just so much fun. I'm never going to get bored of that. Never going to get bored of that. Right, see the written review now for the rest.
That can be customised as well, so you can have a one-of-a-kind look to your keyboard. It's can be paired with 3 other devices, and which makes it a really good buy, really, for the money. Very good value. So feels well constructed, sturdy, durable. The battery will give you 10 hours of playtime whilst it's lit, and substantially more when it's not. I think it's about 100 hours, so you're going to get plenty of playtime. So I'm going to get it going, and then we'll do a written review, and I hope the review helps you.